Ambassador, let me direct your attention next to, and you've begun to do so already, to the period of time after the commencement of Operation Storm and after the majority of Serbs were no longer in the Krajina. In paragraph 42 of your 92 terrorist statement, you indicate that immediately after the large-scale flight of Serbs from the Krajina, you expressed the view that it was not ethnic cleansing as explained in testimony during the Milosevic case. And perhaps it would have been more helpful if the statement had included your description of that in the Milosevic case, or your explanation about that in the Milosevic case. But can you tell the Court what you were referring to by ethnic cleansing in that context, and what both the context in which you said that and what you meant by saying that it was not ethnic cleansing?
Well, ethnic cleansing, as I considered it to be, involved actions to expel the population through military attacks, terror, mass rape, killings, to make sure that everybody who survived left, the burning of homes. Basically, ethnic cleansing was what took place in Croatia in 1991, in eastern Slavonia, and in the Krajina, where the Serbs ethnically cleansed the Croats who lived there, and what took place in Bosnia in 1992, where the Bosnian Serb army used mass killings, mass rape, putting people into concentration camps, destroying their homes, to expel them and to therefore make ethnically pure a large territory of a large part of Bosnia that had not been Serb, but which then became Serb. In my view, the Croatia did not do this in Operation Storm, because when the Croatian forces arrived, the Serbs were already gone. And so you couldn't ethnically cleanse somebody who was not there. This is not to say that they wouldn't have done it had the population been there, but the fact is the population was not there when the Croatian forces actually arrived. So that's what I meant by that statement. I have to say that I, over the years, have regretted that I made it, because it was misunderstood and sort of seemed to be an apology for the Croatian military action, and that was not what I intended. It was simply a technical explanation as to why it wasn't ethnic cleansing.